Hello guys, now let's have a quick look into the tuple items. The tuples are data types very similar to the lists. The difference is that they are unchangeable, so I cannot change the values once that I define them. And the way to define a tuple is this. Tuple 1, for example, equal to round brackets and the element separated by a comma. So here, for example, I have already copy and paste tuple 1 and tuple 2. For example, I print tuple 1 and the outcome is this. So the only difference is that with the list is that here there are round brackets. So let's see here, if I want to change the first element of the tuple 1, I want to place it equal to, for example, kiwi. You see that I receive a type error, so object of class tuple does not support item assignment, so I cannot assign once I have already defined before. For example, if I want to print the first element of the tuple 1, I make like this, simply square brackets and the index of the element that I want to print out. So you see apple. Okay, same history, for example, for tuple 2, in which this time I have numbers. Okay. It's also possible to define tuples in this way, but okay. This is only for complete the collection topics, because we don't use them for our crypto project. Okay, so thank you and see you next time.